The Hamilton Beach 15 Bars Espresso Machine offers a professional-grade coffee experience in the comfort of your own home. With its sleek black design, this machine not only looks stylish, but also delivers excellent performance. The compact dimensions of 8.2 inches in diameter, 13 inches in width, and 12.31 inches in height make it suitable for various kitchen spaces. One of the standout features of this espresso machine is the built-in milk frother, allowing you to create creamy cappuccinos and lattes with ease. The frother produces rich velvety foam that enhances the overall coffee experience. Additionally, the removable tank makes it convenient to refill water without any hassle. The Hamilton Beach espresso machine operates at 15 bars of pressure, ensuring that your espresso is brewed to perfection with a rich and robust flavor profile. Whether you prefer traditional espresso, cappuccinos, mochas, or lattes, this versatile machine caters to all your coffee cravings.
The Hamilton Beach Slide and Lock Espresso Machine in sleek black color is a standout addition to any kitchen, combining style with functionality. With product dimensions of 11.7 D into 10.2 W into 11.4 H, this espresso machine is compact yet powerful, perfect for both small spaces and avid coffee lovers. One of the standout features of this Hamilton Beach espresso machine is its removable tank, allowing for easy cleaning and refilling without the hassle. The inclusion of a cup warmer ensures that your espresso stays at the perfect temperature from the first sip to the last, enhancing your overall coffee drinking experience. Moreover, the built-in milk frother adds a touch of luxury to your beverages, whether you prefer a creamy latte or a frothy cappuccino. This special feature sets this espresso machine apart, catering to those who appreciate barista-quality drinks at home. In conclusion, the Hamilton Beach Slide and Lock Espresso Machine in black is a stylish and functional coffee maker.
As an experienced product marketing expert with over a decade in the field, I have meticulously assessed the USA GAO 18202 4-cup espresso cappuccino maker, a powerhouse in the world of coffee machines. The USA GAO 18202 boasts the perfect marriage of form and function. Its sleek black color not only adds elegance to any kitchen countertop, but also complements various interior styles effortlessly. The dimensions of 10.24 D into 10.63 W into 10.43 H make it compact yet substantial, fitting seamlessly into both small and large kitchen spaces. One standout feature of this coffee maker is its convenience-enhancing elements. The removable tank simplifies the refilling process, ensuring minimal hassle and mess. The built-in milk frother takes your beverages to the next level, allowing you to create creamy cappuccinos and lattes with ease. Additionally, the permanent filter not only reduces waste, but also saves you money in the long run. Designed as an espresso machine, the USA
The Keurig K-Cafe single-serve K-Cup coffee machine by Keurig is a versatile coffee maker that combines convenience with quality. With its elegant dark charcoal color and sleek design, this machine will complement any kitchen decor. Measuring at 14.17 inches in diameter, 17.32 inches in width, and 14.41 inches in height, it offers a compact yet efficient solution for your coffee needs. One of the standout features of this product is its programmable function, allowing you to customize your coffee experience to suit your preferences. Whether you prefer a strong espresso or a creamy latte, the Keurig K-Cafe can deliver with just the touch of a button. This level of customization sets it apart from traditional coffee makers, making it ideal for those who appreciate a personalized touch to their coffee routine. Furthermore, being an espresso machine, the Keurig K-Cafe single-serve K-Cup coffee machine brings the cafe experience into your home. You can indulge in rich barista-quality coffee. The Ninja CFN 601 Espresso and Coffee Barista System combines sleek design with top-notch functionality to elevate your coffee experience. Crafted by Ninja, known for its quality appliances, this barista system in black adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen. With product dimensions of 12.21 D into 9.84 W into 14.96 H, it's compact enough to fit neatly on your countertop without compromising on performance.
One standout feature of this system is its dishwasher-safe components, making cleanup a breeze. The 1-inch filter type ensures that your coffee is brewed to perfection, guaranteeing a rich and flavorful taste every time. Whether you're a coffee connoisseur or just enjoy a good cup of Joe, the Ninja CFN 601 espresso and coffee barista system is designed to meet the needs of everyone. Overall, the Ninja CFN 601 espresso and coffee barista system combines style, convenience, and quality to deliver a superior brewing experience. If you're looking to take your coffee game